In this video, I will be revealing why I'm going bullish on Poocoin, the Poocoin token. Poocoin is one of the exchange platforms and the platforms that you can check charts of coins that are about to be launched. For instance, you can see here this Bull Rise token is about to be launched, and so they are running some ads on Poocoin. On Poocoin, you can actually look for tokens, new tokens that you can't even find on CoinMarketCap. You can find them here on Poocoin. Now, there are some reasons why I'm going bullish on this coin. This coin is going to rise in the future, and if you believe in what I believe, I think you can buy as well, because as it stands, the value of Poocoin is $2.90. Now, it rose all the way. It began on Monday, that is being listed here, Monday, April 19, 2021. So it's this year. If you're watching this video in 2021, this was the price in April 19 or on April 19th, and this rose up to $13.76 and it's falling. It's falling because of the Bitcoin crash, right? And so when Bitcoin lifts up again and all the other coins starts to increase, you're going to see a shooting up of this coin. Why? Because this coin, even in as much as is for checking charts or on other tokens and other cryptocurrencies, you can actually exchange or buy tokens through pancake swap on Poocoin by setting your slippage, looking for the token, selecting a currency, and so on and so forth. So you paste the token address here and it's going to show up. Now they have multi-chat feature, and also other new tokens can advertise on Poocoin. That makes it likely to increase so much, right? So you can also pay for a premium version to access certain extra features, and also they have robots. So a lot of new tokens are jumping on this. As you can see, just increase. You can also buy Poocoin on pancake swap, and you can buy other pancake swap tokens on Poocoin. And when you come here, we have Poocoin BNB. Unlike other tokens that are not paired against BNB and BUSD and Cake and even USDT, but you have Poocoin being paired against all these ones. And this is the chart for Poocoin and Cake. It's rising up. Do you see that? And I feel that this has been a high point, this has been a swing high, and this is rising up, so it's likely to meet this point sometime in the future. So if you invest say $2, which is the price here, where was it? Yes, the price was here. If you invest $2.89, let's say $2, let's say $3, okay? If you invest $3 and in the future it lifts, let's say you buy 99, right? $3.99, that would be 33 Poocoins. 33 Poocoins. So if one is $10, you have 330, right? So I feel it's worth the investment, because this is a token that a lot of people are jumping on. As it stands, we have 54,000 holders, right, which is approximately 55,000. Their total supply is 5.5 million. And when you check here, see, people are buying this coin 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago. A lot of people are jumping on this coin 4 minutes ago, 10, 7, 16, and so on and so forth. People are believing in this coin because all other coins can be found here. Before coins become popular, before they are launched on CoinMarketCap, they pass through Poocoin. And so even you can buy coins that are on the Polygon market, the Polygon Matic charts. You can paste the address here and you're going to find all those coins here. So it's more like it's the Google of Binance. This is the Google of Binance. You can search for strange coins, strange unknown coins that are not yet on the popular market. You can find them on Poocoin. So once you place the address of the unknown or unpopular tokens, the chart will pop up, and then you can take advantages of the opportunity. And there is an ape feature on Poocoin has an ape feature that scans for new token launches before they even get to CoinMarketCap, right? So like I said, you can also advertise your tokens. Like this one has advertised his token, I think banana coin or something. Yes, and this means that new tokens or new cryptocurrency creators will be jumping on. All right, Yes, and more people that want to purchase the coin but are not creators themselves will also be jumping on. So I feel that in as much as pancake rose, now you see it's 0.92 right now. Okay, pancake swap rose from 2 cents, right, up until 40. Just, I think it was just from November. Let me even get close to 2021, somewhere here. January 1st, right, was 61 cents, right? So imagine 61 cents, you bought $100. By the time we get to April, this was where Poocoin also got listed, around this area, April 2021. They got listed on CoinMarketCap here. So if you bought pancake swap, right, you will be worth a lot more, $4,000 plus, right? And pancake is gradually rising. Why? Because we are entering the bullish phase of the cryptocurrency markets, right? Because Bitcoin is on the rise. So I feel this is worth the investment. It's just dropped by 1 cent, but it's going to go up again, right? Because when you check the charts, you see now it's risen from this area. We'll be shooting up very, very soon. So I feel like this is worth the investment, is a good investment. But all the same, this is not financial advice. So if you are new to this channel, guys, subscribe, hit the notification icon. I'll be bringing you the movement of prices before they shoot up, or in the course of days shooting up. I'll be bringing videos on that. Also, like this video and share with your friends. All right, so thanks for watching, guys. I'm buying Poocoin. Bye.